Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle here in Albany, Georgia. And guys, I know I've taken a serious hiatus from doing YouTube videos, but what I realized, there is a serious need for education and some of the platforms that I'm actually sharing with my team. And so the best platform for me to share it is right here on YouTube. Now, I've done a lot of personal coachings in the last several months, and I've also done one-on-one Zooms with a lot of people. But what I've realized is that people outside of my business models also would love to have certain tutorials, or at least see exactly what I'm doing, and at least see what I'm actually using in order to, number one, grow my list and also build my multiple streams of income. And I will definitely be sharing that with you. I've time blocks myself, and I've also digressed just a little bit on the coaching, so I want to pay more attention to you guys here on the YouTube channel, because I know that you value it, and I know whatever I share with you all, you can definitely take it to the bank and cash it. So stay tuned, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for your patience and waiting for me to return to YouTube on a regular basis. So definitely click the link below just to see what my latest business is that I'm sharing online. That is my primary business. It is a business that I tell you without a shadow of a doubt will prepare you for the future and for generations to come. And not only that, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I'd love to have you, so that every time I drop a video, you'll be the first to know. Bye for now.